Hey, welcome back to in another video. And in previous video we installed vscode in our termux and we used that in our chrome, but there was a problem. We are unable to install many extensions like code runner, live server. But in this video we are going to talk about that problem and we are also going to solve that problem. So if we want to install the VS Code extension and use that here, so we have to come on Chrome and search VS Code marketplace. Here we can install the file of extension and we will run that in VS Code. So search your extension and down, you will get here download. Click on that. As you will click, you will get a file in your phone. And before coming in VS Code, first open your termux and run their command, which is termux-setup-storage, and allow the permission there. And after, start the code server and login in your VS Code and come on the extension section, and there you will get a three dot on above, and click on that and select install from vsix. It's mean we are going to install the extension from file, and select storage. After that downloads, you will get here a file. Click on that and it will take some time. After it, your extension will be installed in VS Code and it will definitely work. And I'm going to show you it is working or not. So I'm writing some code, and as I am clicking on this runner, so it is giving me output and it's mean it is working here. So hope this video help you, and any problem let me know in comment box.